I think so this situation is in everybody's house, work from home, yes. And this is taking a toll because I see in my house all the members who are working from home, they are busy from morning 8 to 11. The office is never ending. And this becomes difficult for them to have either the breakfast, sometimes the lunch or sometimes the dinner. So I prefer making recipes or making meals which are pick up foods and they can eat it while they are on their calls. Yes. So this is a lovely sorghum pearl millet savory muffin. That is a big name. I would love to call it a Jawari Bajra savory muffin, which is much easier to understand and to memorize even, because we basically call it a Jawari Bajra muffin. And I love hiding especially vegetables in my muffins. So why shouldn't I do this over here even? So I made this recipe and my son, my family, they loved it. It's a perfect finger food and you're going to just love it. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dania. So let's begin with the sorghum pearl millet savory muffin. As you all know, I love muffins. Yes, this is a favorite pick-up food for me. So I've taken a big bowl and in which I'm adding some sorghum flour, that is your jawari flour, some pearl millet goes into it, that is your bajra flour, and some salt goes in it. I'm adding rock salt, you can add normal salt even, some black pepper powder, better to add some freshly grounded black pepper powder, some baking powder goes into it, some baking soda goes into it, and I'm going to give a gentle mix, yes, so that all the ingredients get jumbled up. This is my dry ingredient bowl, and now to this I'm going to add the vegetables. So here comes the pumpkin. You all know my family don't like pumpkin, so I've added that vegetable. Some capsicum goes into it, some carrot goes into it, garlic goes into it, and now comes the wet ingredients. Here goes the oil, the curd, and now I'm going to give a gentle mix. My batter is almost done. I have to give a gentle mix so that all the ingredients get mixed up properly. Yes, this is one dish I love to prepare. You can add turmeric powder even. You can add other flavors like spices, herbs to get a different texture and taste to your taste buds. See, my batter is done. See, this is the perfect batter. Can you see the consistency? Now I have taken a muffin mold and I am greasing with oil. Meanwhile, my oven is preheated to 190 degrees Celsius. And I'm just greasing it with the brush so that it becomes easier for me to take it out. I prefer putting paper cups, but many of them requested, why don't you make it without it? So here I'm making without the paper cup. And see the batter. Now comes the dropping of the batter into the muffin mold. Yes. So here I'm dropping the batter into it. I'm dropping good quantity of batter because I want when they pick up one piece it should be filling. So here I'm dropping the batter in each of the muffin molds and I'm going to make it in the air fryer even. So I have already set my air fryer also to get preheated at 200 degrees Celsius. In air fryer the things get cooked up more faster. So I'm just filling up the batter and the remaining batter will go for the air fryer. Here I am sprinkling some sesame seeds. You can sprinkle some sunflower seeds or your pumpkin seeds or flax seeds even. I am sprinkling the black sesame seeds. See. And my tray is ready for baking. See, this goes for baking in the oven. Here I am baking at 190 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. See how it will rise up. See, beautiful. And it will take a golden color. See, and this is my muffins being cooked in the air fryer. Can you see? I have not sprinkled the black sesame seeds in it. And it's done. That is, it's done in the air fryer. So both my air fryer one and also in the oven one are done. I've just taken it out. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Here goes the toothpick. And let's see it's clear or not. It's perfectly clear. Can you see? And that is my air fryer one. Jawari Bajra muffins. And this I'm just scraping the side. Let it rest for 10 minutes and then scrape out the side. And see how it has come out beautifully baked, and it's quite filling, See the sponginess, it's perfect. Perfect recipe for breakfast, in fact even for lunch. I prefer it, give a bowl of salad with it and they can enjoy the muffins with the salad, or in the breakfast with your black coffee or with your tea or with your normal coffee even. So this is the one which I have baked in the air fryer, perfectly baked, perfect golden color it has taken. Can you see? So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make this delicious sorghum pearl millet savory gluten-free muffins. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. And also don't forget, I practice as a dietitian or as a nutritionist. You can take my consultation simply by filling the form below. Thank you.